G'day, this is 𝗪𝘁𝗏 here from Australia, and in this fairly short video, I'll be continuing on with some detailed information in regards to AdStaker, stake, click, earn, view 10 ads a day, and earn up to 1 to 5% per day. All right. And I'll be showing you my results in this video. But before I do that, let me bring up this here. Wrong one. There you go. Oops. This one. Okay. All right. So remember to always invest responsibly. Cryptocurrency investment can be lucrative, but still carry risks. And you can lose some or all your capital. All information presented here is for demonstration purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and past results are not indicative of future results. And the other one, which is this one, income disclaimer, results and profit examples shown in this video may vary, and your results may differ than what you see in this video. All right, so there's that. There's my disclaimer. All right, back to over here. All right. Okay, so let me go to my dashboard. As you can see here, this is from exactly the same as yesterday's video, which is the AdStaker walkthrough, deposit, stake, buy, ad, which I did a complete walkthrough of how to get things going and up and running in AdStaker, right? And then the previous video was AdStaker review, unstake, which is actually withdraw, and I'll be talking a little bit about that in today's video as well. Anyway, back to my dashboard. You can see here the current month of how many ad views I've done. I usually do more than 10. And let's go to the stake reward, current month. You can see here I went 19.5, etc. How much I've done per day here for the last 2 weeks since I've joined AdStaker. And I can go to MetaMask, and here are. This is where I started, with 650 AdStaker tokens. I had 5, 10, which is 30, 40, 45 I used for advertising. So let me bring up my a worksheet, and I'll bring it up here. And you can see here I started with 65, which is 5, 10, 30, which is a total of 695 AdStaker tokens. All right, but the actual total stake reward, or the staking amount, I should say, right, was started at 650. That's why I've got that there. All right. So 650 on the 3rd of the 11th, okay, this month. And made $19.5 AdStaker tokens. And you can see here, 19.5 AdStaker tokens, right? So I made a record of my progress in AdStaker. 13, etc., etc., etc. And for the 7 days since I've joined, it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. For those 7 days, that's a total of 14% increase in my AdStaker token. So started at 650, ended at 731.94 at the end of those 7 days. Pretty impressive, eh? Then the next week, started on the 10th, and 746. And then I was a day missing here. If you can see down here on the, I think it's the 12th, 11th or 12th, somewhere around there. 11th, went down to 0, and that was due to the site being down. And next day was 46.74. But actually, it got rewarded for that day, which they haven't updated my site, but I have seen the numbers increase anyway. So I did a unstake that particular day. I took out 779 when came 700 and what it was came out, and I put it back in again to prove that I could actually unstake from the platform. And I'll be doing another video where I was showing you live an unstake. Right? You'll be seeing me do an unstake from the platform. It'll show up in my MetaMask, and then I'll be converting it from AdStaker into BNB, and then withdrawing that BNB into my Binance account, and I'll be doing a live presentation or demonstration of that sometime next week. So stay tuned for that coming up, for that video that's coming up sometime next week. Anyway, back to the stats here, and again, here's 2% for that day, 6%, 3% to 1. So that particular week, that particular 7 days, was 15% increase in, or 15% that was on my return. So my count went up to 893. Then it was 17.7 AdStaker tokens here, so it went up to 902. And then I added an extra 190, so my account is over 1,092.66 AdStaker tokens, which is what you can see in my staking amount. So that's what I got today. So I did my videos today, and waiting for the stake rewards to arrive. Should be in about another hour or so, and I'll see what whether I get 1% today, 2%, or whatever the daily rate is. So there is my results. Let's go to my ads. You can see here I've had 194 views on the ad I posted yesterday, and you can see the ad in my video here on my AdStaker walkthrough. Here it is, if I can find it. Right, free and easy, right there. My ad came up. There's a new ad, so I was quite happy about that one. But yeah, it's had 194 views. Now again, I only paid 20 AdStaker tokens for those views. If I had more, I would have put more in, and I paid for more views. The more views you get, the more better chance you have of someone actually signing up to the particular offer that you are doing. AdStaker is it's free to join AdStaker. However, you do need to have some staking amount in order for you to view the ads and to earn up to 1 to 5% per day. Okay, you've got to put some skin in the game, so to say. So you've got to put some staking amounts in here in order for you to earn. That's how simple it is to do. And again, you can also always unstake the staking amount at any time. And I'll be doing, as I mentioned, I'll be doing a video on that next week sometime. I'll let you know when. But that's pretty much it. That's my results for the was it 14 days now? 15 days? Let's take a look here. Yeah. 7, 14, 15 days so far. All right. So I created this worksheet. It's very simple. I just keep a track of my progress in my account. And you can create one for yourself if you wish. But that is the quick update on AdStaker. I'd really consider, if you're coming in and trying it out for, I think it's 50 AdStaker tokens, or is it $50? Either way, it's not much. You don't need much to get started. All you got to do is, once you've done that, there's the video tutorials on how to do it all. They're quite simple. You can read the purple paper, follow the instructions. I did. Fairly simple to do. And get started in AdStaker. Get some of these AdStaker tokens because they'll be worth quite a bit later on as this community and as this AdStaker token and as more advertisers come on board to advertise their products and services. So if you're looking to advertise your product or services, you might want to consider AdStaker because you've got a buyer's environment here. People, clicking on these ads in order for them to earn, right? And if you'd like to earn some extra income, then perhaps you might want to add AdStaker to your portfolio of income streams. And with that, I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening wherever you are in the world, and bye for now.